You see a lot of Reddit groups, different painting and art subreddits, where people are always asking the question, something's wrong with my art. How can I make this better? How can I improve this? And seeking advice. And I think that comes common. As an artist, you want to develop your skills. You constantly need feedback from others. And I think currently there's different options. You can ask these other artists on Reddit. You can watch YouTube videos, or you can ask a professional or take a professional class. And I also want to suggest, with the current technology that we have, that there is also another way to improve your art, and that is using the AI-based systems that we have in place right now. And I will be using, in this video, ChatGPT. So I want to show how I'm going to improve this painting right here, as I did in 2020, and how ChatGPT encouraged me or made some suggestions about how to improve this painting. Like, if you look at it right now, it's very flat. It's hard to get the perspective. Like, the grass all looks the same. The only type of understanding that you get for distance is these trees in the background. But other than that, it just looks all the same. So I'll use ChatGPT to show me how it suggests I improve this video or improve this painting, and then I go about the process of improving the painting, and then I will show the result of the improvement.
Here you use ChatGPT to search how to improve the image, and it gives you an explanation about how it would do it. And after that, you type in to create an image with their recommendations. And this part takes a while. And it generates the image. And I had previously done this, so this is the picture that I like better.